So made it to Hot Springs and love this little town. Just got done eating at the Smoky Mountain Diner. Had an amazing meal and I was starving. We're staying at the Laughing Heart Hostel tonight. I'm already all over there and checked in. We have a private room for tonight. And then just walk down here to get something to eat. And now I'm gonna head over to the Outfitters because I burned a hole in my Darn Tough socks while trying to dry them next to a fire. I know, sounds completely idiotic and stupid, but these socks just do not dry. So if someone could figure out how to have the wonderful quality of Darn Tough socks, but have them dry quickly, would be like, I'd pay good money for that. So anyway, so I have to go get another pair of Darn Tough socks at the Outfitters, and I also had left all of my tent stakes at one of the shelters we had been camping at where we left in the dark, so I have to try to get all new tent stakes at the Outfitters now as well. So, and I found Chris. I've been looking all over for him. There's no service in Hot Springs. So I couldn't call or text him at all. So I just kept saying, does anybody know where the boy in the pink tights is? He's my son. And let him know I'm looking for him. So, but after this, we are going to go to a mineral bath later at 3 o'clock. So very, very much looking forward to that. Thank you so much, Matt, because very much looking forward to that. My tired legs and feet are thanking you very much for that. You're staying at Laughing Heart, right?
Yeah, I'm literally.
Tired all the time. Then you find Mr. Big green eyes in the way she can smile, but she can't stop talking all the time.